Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you use the new feature by ChatGPT Plus, which is DALL-E 3 ChatGPT to generate AI art. So let's get right into it. So make sure you use GPT-4 and DALL-E 3. You have to make sure that is selected. And once you're done with that, all you have to do is basically enter what imagination you have in mind, and you can then go ahead and type in here. So for example, we want to go ahead and put a random art here. So for example, uh, so let's try that. So all you have to do is proceed with yes, and as you can see, it created a prompt here. So basically, you can type in whatever you want. So as you can see, it is created it for you, and as you can see, it is very quality. And you just have to save this, and you should be good to go, guys. So you can explore whatever you want here and type in whatever you want to for DALL-E 3 to make. You can also add in the resolutions you want. So for example, you want it 1080p, you just have to go ahead and ask to make you uh, images with 1080p. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.